Welcome back to Car Alerts. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 enters the electric sedan battlefield with an even sharper edge, a vehicle that continues to define what it means to combine sustainability with cutting-edge innovation. At first glance, it still wears the same familiar silhouette that revolutionized EVs a few years back, but this latest iteration has evolved in subtle yet meaningful ways. This isn't just about electrification anymore, this is about refinement, driving dynamics, and digital experience taken to a whole new level. Tesla has made changes that matter, that enhance usability while staying true to its minimalist DNA. What we're looking at is a Model 3 that feels more mature, more confident, and more complete. Up front, the 2026 Model 3 greets onlookers with a redesigned fascia that leans into its futuristic roots. The bumper has been reshaped to improve airflow, offering a cleaner aesthetic with fewer panel gaps. The headlights are slimmer, now with matrix LED technology that adapts more precisely to varying light conditions. These lights appear more sculpted, sitting flush against the bodywork for a sleeker presence. There's no traditional grille, of course, just a smooth surface that enhances aerodynamic efficiency while giving the car a distinct personality. Underneath, the front splitter has been tweaked for better downforce at higher speeds, all part of Tesla's ongoing obsession with form-serving function. Daytime running lights now stretch across the upper edge, forming a narrow light bar that gives the face a confident glare during all hours of operation. The side profile of the 2026 Model 3 maintains the signature fastback shape, which continues to provide that seamless transition between windshield and rear deck. This time, the door handles are even more integrated into the body, almost invisible when not in use, reducing wind resistance further. Flush-mounted camera pods replace traditional mirrors, feeding visuals directly into the cabin for improved rearward visibility. New wheel designs offer a more aerodynamic structure, with optional 20-inch alloys wrapped in low-rolling resistance tires. Tesla's engineers have refined the suspension mounting points and upgraded bushings to minimize noise, vibration, and harshness. Panel alignment has also seen major improvement, which had been a point of critique in earlier builds. The paint choices now include a stealth silver metallic and a midnight crimson tone that shift under changing light conditions, giving the exterior an added layer of complexity. Even the glass roof, now more UV-repellent and thermally insulated, has been slightly reshaped for better cabin acoustics and airflow management. At the rear, Tesla takes a bolder step in design language. The taillights now form a singular LED strip that cuts sharply across the trunk lid, replacing the older segmented units with a more aggressive identity. Integrated turn signals pulse sequentially, adding a layer of high-tech polish. The bumper features a new diffuser-style insert, not just for looks but to help guide air cleanly out from beneath the vehicle. There's no visible exhaust, of course, but Tesla makes sure that the lack of noise is replaced by visual drama. A reworked trunk mechanism now operates quieter while offering slightly more cargo space due to better packaging beneath the floor. The Model 3 badge has been replaced with a simple Tesla logo, underlining the brand's pursuit of clean visual language. Interior stepping inside the 2026 Model 3, the changes speak softly yet impactfully. Gone are the visible air vents, replaced by Tesla's advanced hidden HVAC system that directs airflow intelligently through invisible channels. The steering yoke has been replaced with a new compact rectangular wheel that offers improved ergonomics without sacrificing visibility of the instrument panel, or rather, the lack thereof. All critical data remains housed within the central 15.4-inch touchscreen that now floats closer to the dash and is brighter with higher resolution. The display has haptic feedback, better responsiveness, and a new UI layout tailored to driver and passenger separately. Materials have taken a major leap forward. The dash is wrapped in a new eco-friendly synthetic suede with contrast stitching. Door panels now offer softly padded Alcantara with subtle ambient lighting strips that follow the length of the interior. Seats are more sculpted with enhanced lumbar support, now available with optional massage function. Both rows enjoy increased cushioning and better lateral bolstering for high-speed stability and long-range comfort. Even the wireless charging pads now deliver faster charging rates for modern devices. Rear seat passengers benefit from a new 8-inch screen mounted behind the center console, giving access to climate controls, streaming media, and seat heating. USB-C ports have been upgraded for faster data and power delivery. Cabin insulation has been vastly improved using new laminated acoustic glass across all windows. Wind and road noise have been reduced significantly, making conversations easier even at higher speeds. Tesla also now uses a new interior fragrance cartridge system embedded in the air filter system, releasing a subtle aroma based on user preferences saved to their driver profile. Performance for the 2026 Tesla Model 3 depends on the variant, but all models receive upgraded battery packs built on the new 4680 cell architecture. The standard range version offers rear-wheel drive with 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in 5.6 seconds, while the long-range dual-motor variant cuts that down to 4.1 seconds. For those seeking maximum punch, the performance model drops it to just 3.1 seconds while offering an improved thermal management system for sustained output. Top speeds remain electronically limited, but cornering stability and steering feedback have improved thanks to retuned dynamics, revised software logic, and torque vectoring on dual-motor trims. Range has gone up across the board. The standard model now posts 295 miles on a single charge under EPA estimates. Long range climbs to 375 miles, while performance manages 340 miles even with its more aggressive stance. Charging has also been overhauled. The car supports up to 250 kilowatts DC fast charging, with the ability to regain over 175 miles in just 15 minutes at Tesla Supercharger V4 stations. Software remains Tesla's secret weapon. The latest version of full self-driving, still in beta, comes with enhanced neural net processing, offering smoother lane changes, better obstacle recognition, and improved decision-making in urban environments. OTA updates continue to refine behavior, introduce features, and enhance existing hardware performance. Driver profiles now sync with cloud-based Tesla accounts, allowing owners to switch seamlessly across Tesla vehicles. Voice commands are more intuitive, recognizing natural language queries with better precision. Pricing for the 2026 Model 3 starts at around $39,990 for the base standard range version. The long-range trim jumps to approximately $47,990 while the performance variant is priced around $53,990. Tesla offers a new subscription model for certain features like full self-driving capability at $99 per month or a one-time purchase of $12,000. Paint options, wheel upgrades, and interior themes can add up, but Tesla now bundles popular choices into simplified packages to reduce build complexity and delivery delays. Incentives may vary based on region and government policies, though the Model 3 continues to qualify for certain tax credits in various markets. They're measured in how the brand continues to integrate the digital and mechanical worlds so seamlessly. Whether it's your first EV or your fifth, the Model 3 continues to be that rare machine that redefines what you think is possible every time you sit behind the wheel. With better materials, longer range, sharper dynamics, and smarter software, the Model 3 earns its place not just in your driveway but in the future of mobility. Tesla once said the Model 3 would be the car that brings EVs to the masses. This version shows it's also the car that brings the future into the present.